Hello guys, I'm Kant and this is the first task given from the Spark Foundation. And the task was to predict the percentage of an student based on number of study hours. This is a simple linear regression task as it involves just two variables. They are just saying this is a linear regression problem involving just two variables which are x and y. And I'm starting this task with some loading some general libraries like for handling the data and visualization and also for the model building and evaluation of the model. And I loaded the data from my GitHub repository as an URL. You can see the data we are having a size of 25 rows and the two variables they are talking about hours and the scores. These all 25 are the students and their corresponding hour time of study in hours. And secondly, I have done the univariate analysis on the single variable and the information we are having like the float and the scoring the int, the data type of our data set of two features. I'm checking null values over here and the sum is coming 0. It means we are having 0 null values. And I've also gone with some statistical analysis which we are having the median and mean also. And I also calculated the standard mean with the help of pandas data frame only. And here's the complete summary of the whole statistical analysis. You can see we are not having very much of anomalies or outliers in our data set. And next we are visualizing. Here we can also see this is the visualization of complete data frame. I have not taken out any special like training or testing data set. This is the normal visualization of the data set with the regression line. And in here I'm just showing the distribution of scores in among the students, like how many students are getting. Here we can see say students are getting around 20 to 40 marks, and the box plot is for the outliers and median. Here we can see we are having outlier but they are not in very much or they are not very high amount. And here we are just splitting now we are on the model development and evolution, and here we are just splitting our data into training and testing. And here I'm just generating an object of it and creating model, training our model regression model on x train as the independent variable and y as the dependent variable. And I'm also calculating the intercept and coefficient for just drawing the regression line which I have drawn earlier also, but here I'm just doing it manually. And here I'm predicting our data, predicting with the help of our model on the x test which on the data x test which we have just taken earlier. And okay, I'm just trying to okay, this is the data frame which is predicted, and actual we can see like there is not very much amount of differentiation we are going to have in this. Like here the actual is 30 and we are predicting the our model is predicting the 26 and the 62 and the 60. So there is a very less accuracy we are having, very high accuracy we are having in the terms of prediction. And here I am just showing the prediction in comparison to the actual data on the scatter plot only. Here you can see the test data is denoted as the plus symbol and the actual data in the circle formation. So we are having a little bit of differentiation between the actual and the predicting data. Thank you guys.